Dear students, so next we are going to see another problem. The question is write the equations of motion in S domain for the system shown in figure and also determine the transfer function of the system. So when you look at the mechanical system, you can see that there is a given mass element indicated by M, but there will be a node, there will be a meeting point between these two elements K and B2. There is a meeting point between the elements K and B2. There is no mass body there. So how will you do the first step? That means you have to identify the nodes in the mechanical system. So now can you tell me how many nodes are there? Two nodes are there. First one is M and the other node is a meeting point between K and B2. In this case, if there is a meeting point between two elements and there is no mass body there, in that case you have to consider a mass body there with M is equal to 0. So now you can if needed, you can redraw this particular system with the mass body here and you can write within that M is equal to 0. So the first step is we have identified the nodes. First node is M and the second node is here where M is equal to 0. So now we are going to the second step, that is we have to assign the displacement. So regarding the first mass body x of t, the displacement is given. Regarding the second mass body for m is equal to 0, we have to assign a displacement. So the response displacement will be in the same direction. So we can assign a displacement x1 here. So the second step is you assign a displacement here in the same direction as that of x of t. Mark it as x1. First, just I'll repeat. First, you have to identify the nodes. First node is M and second node is the meeting point between K and B2. You assign M is equal to 0. The second step is you assign a displacement for this mass body also and mark it as x1 in the same direction as that of x of t. So to determine the transfer function, you have to identify the input and output. F of t is the input and x of t is the output. So in frequency domain, f of t is f of s. In frequency domain, x of t is x of s. So the transfer function will become x of s by f of s. So we have to find out x of s by f of s. Listen, let x1 be the displacement at the meeting point of spring and dashpot, and the Laplace transform of x1 is x1 of s. And the system has two nodes and their mass and the meeting point of spring and dashpot. We have already discussed about that. Now we are moving to the third step. That means for the first mass body, we have to draw the free body diagram. So how will you draw the free body diagram of this mass element? You have to look at the associated forces, or associated opposing forces and applied forces with this mass body. With this mass body, opposing force will be exerted by this mass itself. Then there is an applied force F of t, and there is a friction between the surface and the mass body B1, and there is B2. Applied force F of t, opposing force due to mass Fm, opposing force due to the friction Fb1 and Fb2. So this is the free body diagram of the mass element M. Now we write what is Fm. Fm is equal to m into d square x by dt square. Okay. Then Fb1 is equal to b1 into dx by dt. Next is Fb2. So listen, is we are you better redraw this figure with m is equal to 0 here. So at that case you can identify that this B is connected between two mass bodies, or there is displacement at both ends of this dashboard. Here it is x1 and here it is x, isn't it? This dashboard has displacement at both ends. Here it is x1 and x of t. How x1 comes here? Because we are assigning a mass body m is equal to 0 here. Because this is a node, the meeting point between two elements. So what is FB2? FB2 will be equal to B2 into x, d by dt of x minus x1. B2 into d by dt of x minus x1. B2 into d by dt of x minus x1. So we got the equations. Now we have to write the, according to Newton's second law, the force balance equations for the first mass body. We can write it as Fm plus Fb1 plus Fb2 is equal to F of t. So you substitute the equations m into d square x by dt square plus b1 into dx by dt plus b2 into d by dt of x minus x1 is equal to F of t. Now you take the Laplace transform with the zero initial conditions. M into d square x by dt square will become m into s square into x of s plus b1 into s into x of s, b2 into s into x of s minus x1 of s is equal to f of s. Now what will we do? We will group. We'll group with x of s and x1 of s, isn't it? So you can take x of s as common outside. M square plus b1 plus b2 into s into x of s. With x1 of s, we have only this term b2s into x1 of s. So minus b2s into x1 of s is equal to f of s. So now we are getting an equation like this. Now we can consider the second mass body. So we are considering a mass body here with m is equal to 0. So what will be the forces exerted to that? Since if m is equal to 0, there will not be Fm, isn't it? Mass is equal to 0. So there is no force exerted by the mass. Another forces exerted, or another opposing forces exerted at this node will be Fk and Fb2. What will be Fk? Fk is k into x1. K into x1. And regarding FB2, there are displacement at both the ends. So B2 into x1, B2 into d by dt of x1 minus x. So the free body diagram of the second mass body is m is equal to 0. There is no applied force. Opposing force are Fk and Fb2. You remember, since m is equal to 0, so there is no Fm. So Fk and Fb2 only. And Fk is k into x1. Fb2 is b2 into d by dt of x1 minus x. By Newton's second law, you write the force balance equation. Sum of opposing forces is equal to sum of applied forces. There is no applied force. So Fb2 plus Fk, you substitute Fb2 and Fk here. So it will become b2 into d by dt of x1 minus x plus k into x1 is equal to 0. Now taking the Laplace transform, it will become b2 into s into x1 of s minus x of s plus k into x1 of s. Again, you group. You take x1 of s outside. This will become b2s plus k into x1 of s minus b2s into x of s. So as here also, you have to find out what is x1 of s. X1 of s will be equal to b2s into x of s divided by b2s plus k. So now what will we do? You can substitute x1 of s in the previous equation. So in this equation, we can substitute for x1 of s. So substitute x1 of s. So ms square plus b1 plus b2 into s into x of s minus b2 of s into, instead of x1 of s, you substitute this expression. Now you open the brackets. So x of s into ms square plus b1 plus b2 s into, here it is b2 b2s into this. So b2s plus k, this much into this, b2s plus k minus b2s the whole square divided by the whole, b2s plus k as the denominator. Okay, and now we are getting x of s into something is equal to f of s. So now how will you write? X of s divided by f of s is equal to x of s divided by f of s is equal to reciprocal, that is b2s plus k divided by this thing. So you are getting the frequent transfer function of for the given mechanical system. You know that here the thing was, there was no mass element, but there was a meeting point between the elements. So in that case you have to consider it as a mass body with m is equal to 0. Now there is one more problem. So this is the problem, and this is a homework. So before the next class you have to do this homework. Determine the transfer function x1 of s and f of s and x2 of s by f of s for the system shown in figure. In this case, first you have to find out x1 of s by f of s. Okay, there are two responses, x1, one displacement x1 and x2 are given. So you have to find out x1 of s by f of s and x2 of s by f of s. Uh, all other things are similar, so you try to do this problem. This is a homework. Okay, thank you.